Hello everyone. I hope I'm audible and visible. Good evening to all of you. I just took a session and after that I noticed that the video is not coming. So then I have to re-record it. No problem. So let's start without any further delay. So today we are going to do some sums from trigonometric trigonometric ratios and transformation formulas. Okay. So the first sum I chose for today is if alpha comma beta comma gamma belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2, then prove that prove that sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma whole divided by sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma, this is less than 1. We have to prove it. Okay. So, do you know what is the formula of sine alpha plus beta plus gamma? Okay, if you don't know, then write it. Sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Or you can do one thing, you can take this alpha plus beta equals to C or something. Then you can first write the formula of sine C plus gamma. Then you can break it into alpha plus beta. Okay, so like that you can also do. But here I will do directly. I will write the formula of it. So this is sine alpha cos beta cos gamma, then cos alpha, then plus cos alpha cos gamma sine beta plus cos alpha cos beta sine gamma. Okay, sine alpha cos beta cos alpha, then cos alpha cos gamma sine beta, then cos alpha cos beta sine gamma, then minus minus sine alpha sine beta and sine gamma. Okay, so now I will do little bit manipulation here, which is very important. What I need to do? I need to just subtract what is given here, sine alpha, sine beta, sine gamma. Okay, so minus sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now here I can write sine alpha cos beta cos alpha minus sine alpha. Okay, from here I will get one sine alpha. So that's why I'm writing here plus cos alpha cos beta, here sine gamma minus cos alpha cos gamma sine beta. Okay, this time I am writing first, no issue. This term I am writing first. Cos alpha, cos beta, sin gamma minus sin gamma. Same thing. Positive sign is there, so same thing. Plus this term I missed. Cos alpha, cos gamma, sin beta. So I will write now this term. Cos alpha, cos of gamma, sin of beta minus sin beta. Now this term is left, sin alpha minus sin beta, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. Okay, so minus of sin alpha, sin beta and sin gamma. Okay, so now what I will do, this term I will write as it is. So let me write it, sin alpha plus beta plus gamma minus sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Okay, equals to. Now let us take common. This is sin alpha, this is sin alpha. So I will get sin alpha cos beta cos of alpha minus 1. Okay, plus cos of alpha cos of beta minus 1 into sin gamma. Again, I will get here sin beta into cos of alpha cos of gamma minus 1. Okay, so cos of alpha cos of beta minus 1, cos of beta, alpha, this is alpha beta, this is alpha gamma. So what is missing? Beta gamma is missing, right? So this one will be my gamma. This one will be my gamma. This will be cos gamma. So do the little bit correction here. This will be my cos gamma. Okay, this will be my cos gamma. Okay, and you have to change accordingly here also. Cos gamma it will be. Okay, so this is beta gamma, this is alpha gamma, and this is alpha beta. Now it is correct. Okay. Okay. So now what we have to do, alpha beta, alpha gamma, beta gamma, correct. Now you have to observe a little bit. Okay. You have to observe that what is the interval we have? We have open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Okay. So suppose, let us observe, suppose this is my 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So cos 0 is what? 1. Right. So suppose this is 1. So cos 0 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So the graph of cos x will be, cos alpha will be like this. Right. So this is decreasing. Okay. What about sin alpha? So for sin alpha, we can take sin alpha, sin 0 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay. So for sin alpha, it is increasing. Okay, for sin alpha, it is increasing. And for cos alpha, it is decreasing. Cos alpha, it is decreasing. Sin alpha, it is increasing. Okay, so what is the highest value of cos alpha in this interval? In this 0 to pi by 2, what is the highest value of cos alpha? The highest value of cos alpha is 1. but it cannot achieve 1, right? Cos 0 is 1, so, but it cannot achieve 1 as we have open interval. Okay, so it will be nearly equal to 1. And some number which is nearly equal to 1, if we subtract 1 from it, what we will get? We will obviously get negative, right? We will always get negative. And what about then this cos alpha cos gamma? This cos alpha cos gamma will also be nearly equal to 1. Okay, this will also be nearly equal to 1, and also we will get negative. Here also we will get negative, right? So if we get negative, and this sine alpha, what is the highest value of it? The highest value of it, sine alpha, is 1. But it also cannot be achieved because we have open interval. So it will be also nearly equal to 1, which is positive. Okay. So this is positive and this is negative. This is positive, this sine gamma is positive, but this term is negative. Again, this sine beta is positive and this is negative. Okay, so positive into negative, negative, positive into negative, negative. Here also positive into negative, negative. Again, what is the term we have? Minus of sine alpha into sine beta into sine gamma. Okay, sine alpha into sine beta into sine gamma, which is positive. We know sine is positive in this interval, right? But here we have negative sign, so positive into negative, again negative. So I can clearly see that my sine alpha plus beta plus gamma minus sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine of gamma, this is my negative. Okay, so next step I have to do in the next page. If you want to take screenshot, you can do that. So my sine alpha plus beta plus gamma minus sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma, this is less than 0. Okay, so I can write sine alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is less than sine alpha, sorry, sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma. Okay, so in the next step I can write sine alpha plus beta plus gamma divided by sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma, this is my less than 1. Okay, so this has to be proved and it is done. Okay, so let us move to the next sum. The next sum is number 2. This is, we have to find the range of, we have to find, just give me a moment. So we have to find the range of 27 to the power cos 2x, 81 to the power sine 2x. Okay, so how we can write it? We have to write it in the form of 27 is 3 to the power 3, 3 raised to power 3. So that is cos 2x, and this is 81. So that is 3 to the power 4 into sine 2x. So now you can see here is also 3 in the base. Here we have also 3. So we can simply add this to like 2x, like this. So now we know that 3 cos x, 3 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x. This is always lesser equals to minus root under 3 square plus 4 square. This is lesser equals to 3 square plus 4 square. So this is 3 square plus 4 square root under 25, which is equals to my 5, and this will be as it is, cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x lesser equals to 5. Okay, but what we need 3 raised to power 3 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x, right? So here also we have to do the same. 3 raised to power 3 cos 2x plus 4 sine 2x, which will be lesser equals to 3 raised to power 5 and greater equals to 3 raised to power minus 5. Okay, so what is the range? Range is from 3 raised to power minus 5 to 3 raised to power plus 5. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe because it it motivates me. Thank you.